guys, today I will show you how to install a Linux on your machine. First thing you'll need is a USB flash drive, and after that you will need a program called Rufus. I'll link it down in the description where you can download it. This page here, you just scroll down to this download and you press this button, then you'll download Rufus. The second thing you'll need is the third thing you'll need is Linux Ubuntu, of course, the ISO file. You just go to the link in the description and press download here, and just yeah, there it goes. Just wait for that. Once that is finished, you could just take this out to your desktop, and there you go. And now you'll open Rufus. Yeah, just update it, and you just choose your USB flash drive. In my case, I just have one at the moment. And just ISO image select and select the Ubuntu we downloaded, and then it's actually ready. Just press start and press yes. That's recommended. Okay. Yep. And now it will format your flash drive and also install Linux Ubuntu. So we'll just wait for that. And we're back. Now it says it's ready after 7 minutes and 45 seconds. And sometimes you might need to go in here and press the flash drive and eject to safely remove your flash drive, because sometimes it might be corrupt afterwards. And now over to the machine you want to install a Linux on. Hi guys, and welcome to my server room. Today we're going to see how to install Linux with a USB pen with the ISO file for Linux. So come over here and see my server rack here. Today we're gonna look at this server, and I just want to show you one thing before we start. Everyone sets in the USB wrong all the time. And now I'm gonna show you how it works. You see these holes on the USB? Those are going upwards. And you can also see these plates here. This plate, I mean. That's going down. So, you just look at these holes. You always put those upwards. Then it will always go in on first try. Here, if you zoom in a little bit, you can also see the plate on the machine I'm going to insert it into. If you compare with this plate, they are going beside each other. So in this case, it's going in like this. And there you go, first try. I'm going inside boot menu in just some seconds. We just have to wait till it's ready. You can also hear the fans spinning up. Okay, we're going to boot menu, and here you'll see different boot options. I'm just gonna take CD-ROM because USB don't show up. My hard drive is empty for the moment. I'm going into CD-ROM and we're starting. Here you can see the startup with the Ubuntu, and we just have to wait till that's finished. Meanwhile, I can talk a little bit about my servers. I got 3 servers. One with Windows, that's just my main server, and one with Linux, that's my file server. I also have my main network with 300 megabits per second up and down, and my backup network with 100 megabits per second up and down. So that's it. The reason why I have 2 keyboards is because this server here doesn't all the time recognize the USB keyboards, but I'm gonna remove this keyboard and one of the mice. And now you see we're inside Linux Ubuntu. I'll choose English for this one. And I'll just get IP addresses from DHCP, as you can see here. So if you want, you can just go to manual and set your IP address manually, but in this case we'll use DHCP. And just save that. I got 2 Ethernet ports. You can also have DHCP for that one, but in my case I'll just disable it. And done with that. Okay, so we're back, and now it says we can reboot. Just take reboot now, and it will hopefully say that we can remove our USB. And we're in. Now I'll log in with my username and the password we made. And we're in. And the first thing I will recommend you to do in Linux Ubuntu is to take the sudo apt get update. The sudo command means super user do. That's like administrator stuff. And now sudo apt get install update. And sudo apt get upgrade. And Y for yes. Enter, and it will install everything you probably need. And I'll not talk about everything you will need later, but you can have a look at that later in other videos. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. Okay guys, welcome back to my more silent microphone. I'll just say thank you for watching. If you need some help, just write in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Me myself, I'm not that good in Linux, but I've been using it for 2 years now, I think. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you next time.